Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Higher November 2021. So today I'll be going through question 19. Question 19 reads as follows. Show that a plus the square root of 12 over 5 plus the square root of 3 can be written in the form a plus the square root of 3 over b, where a and b are integers. First of all, I can simplify the square root of 12 because it's the square root of 4 times by the square root of 3, and the square root of 4 is 2, so it'll be 2 square root of 3, so I can substitute that back in. And now, because I want to rationalize the denominator, because I don't want a third at the bottom, so I will do 5 times by 5 minus the square root of 3, and that would give me 34 plus 2 square root of 3 over 22. But let me check if it's in the form a plus square root of 3 over b, and no, it's not, because in that answer the square root of 3 does not have a coefficient. And as you can see, I can take divide by a factor of 2 on both the numerator and denominator, so that will give me 17 plus the square root of 3 over 11, which is the answer. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Maths past papers, further maths and UKMT. Bye!